All right, we're looking at a 2003 anniversary edition Dyna Wide Glide. This motorcycle only has just over 4,000 miles on it, and it's got a lot of chrome. It's a beautiful motorcycle. It's got extra foot pads. It's got a custom horn cover, a custom front wheel, it has a nice windshield on it as well, some custom mirrors. Again, it's a 2003 anniversary, so it's got all the anniversary badging and the paint scheme. It's got some speakers on the front for an iPad or a phone. It's got nice custom grips. Really, really cool. It's got a tachometer, which is nice. Custom intake cover. And it's also set up for 2-up for a passenger. So it's got the back pad, the back rack over the fender, and it's got the 2-up foot pegs. This motorcycle also has a custom exhaust on it. Again, it's a 2003 anniversary edition Dyna Wide Glide, and it's only available at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. www.desertwindhd.com